Alright, when we want to put a solar hook into a direct-to-deck barrel vault, we'll use our direct-to-deck solar mount. We'll locate our rafter. Once we locate our rafter, we're going to go ahead and pre-drill our holes. And we can come back, caulk along those holes, and then we can place our solar mount there. Then we're going to go ahead and take our lag bolts and put them in those pre-drilled holes. Then we can go ahead and install that next panel. And we'll put a fastener on either side of the bracket.